It's that exciting time of year again when we eagerly anticipate the next big thing in the smartphone world. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra is on the horizon today, let's dive into some cool details about the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It might be a bit early for this, but I've got the inside scoop on 6 interesting things you should know. Firstly, Samsung is actively studying foldables from its Chinese rivals to make the Z Fold 6 slimmer and more user-friendly. They want to achieve a sleek and lightweight design. Secondly, there won't be a dedicated S Pen slot in the Z Fold 6 to maintain its slim profile. This could be a drawback for S Pen enthusiasts. The third point is about the cover screen. Samsung might make it wider to improve the user experience. Fourth, the camera setup will remain the same as the Z Fold 5, led by a 50MP main camera. However, the Z Flip 6 is getting a camera upgrade. Fifth, all the exciting features introduced on the S24 will also be present on the Z Fold 6, including Video Object Eraser, AI Live Translate, and more. As a bonus, there's a possibility that the Z Fold 6 will come with a dust-resistant rating, addressing a previous rumor. So, while we eagerly await the Z Fold 6, keep an eye out for these exciting developments and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates. Peace out.